Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add experience on LinkedIn. This is especially useful if you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started, because your experience section helps build credibility and shows potential clients, partners, or employers what you actually do. So it's really simple. Just go to your profile and here choose View Profile. This takes you to the public-facing version of your profile, which is what other people see. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the experience section, so this one. This is where LinkedIn highlights your work history and roles. And from here, to add a new experience, you need to click on this plus button. And from here, to add new experience, you need to click on Add Position, or you can even add Career Break. The Career Break option is useful if you took time off for personal reasons, but we want to add experience, so click on this. And from here, you need to fill all these details so LinkedIn understands your role and displays it properly. So the title, so for example, let's say a video editor. That's my new experience. And this title should clearly describe what you do so people instantly understand your role. And employment type you can choose. So for example, you can choose freelance or full-time, which is helpful if you work with clients or run your own business. Then you can type your organization. So for me, it's going to be YouTube. But for you, this could be your Shopify store name or your brand. Then you can choose your start date. So let's say April, I don't know, this year. This helps show how long you've been doing this role. You can also end your current position as content creator at YouTube by checking this box. So this will end your current position as content creator, which is useful if you're switching roles or updating your profile. Then you can choose your location, but I think this is like optional, or location type. You can choose remote, or if you're working on site, just choose on site. For online businesses and Shopify stores, choosing remote usually makes the most sense. You can also add a description. This is a great place to briefly explain what you do, what results you deliver, or what tools you use. Then you can add skills which are used in this experience, and this helps LinkedIn match your profile with searches. So for example, if I'm a video editor, I can add like video editing. Then I can add, let's say for example, thumbnail designer, which strengthens your profile and helps with discoverability. You can also add a media here. So for example, if you have some kind of, let's say, certificate, portfolio piece, or proof of work, you can just upload it from your computer here. This makes your experience more credible and visual. Just click Apply. And once you have all these things filled, just click on Save button. And this is how you can add your experience. You can also post it and to share it with other people, which can be a nice way to let your network know what you're working on, or you can just skip it. And then as you can see, this is my new experience. You can also see the certificate. Now, if you want to let's say, delete it or customize it later, you can just click on this pencil, then choose your experience and pencil it again. And from here you can, let's say, delete it or just change anything you need. LinkedIn makes it easy to keep things updated as your business or role evolves. Before you go, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel for more step-by-step tips on building your LinkedIn profile and growing your online business. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.